Hey, I'm here on Carnival Radiance for round 2. And this time I moved from an interior to a spa cabin. And guess who my neighbor is?
Hey guys!
Tell them your channel name.
Cruise Casino Secrets.
There we go. Pam and Larry are my neighbors. It's on me. And anyway, this is a spa cabin tour. And let me show you what it looks like in this cabin. Let me just start out by saying I have not unpacked. I just got on this ship and they ain't got no room to put stuff. You're gonna see, but it's like I ain't got no room. Okay, so let me back up. I was in the interior cabin and I always ask for a chair with a back to it so I can edit, of course, right? So they already brought the chair with the back to it from the other cabin, and let me just show you the cabin. So here we go. Spa balcony cabin on deck 10. This is what we're dealing with here. And this is what I was rambling off about. Yeah, I hardly have any room. So I'm going to have to unpack, obviously. And here's the next problem. Where am I going to put it? My luggage. So if I unpack and put my clothes and stuff here, I'm guessing maybe some miscellaneous stuff up here. We have a fridge down here. I think this is a pretty good fridge. Let's see. Yep, it's a pretty good fridge. It's not just a cooler. It's actually cold. I don't know if it's supposed to be a cooler, but it's actually cold. And then this other closet over here, there's no room to put luggage because look. Boom, bam. Yeah, there's some shelves to put a few things. But basically, the life jackets are taking up everything. And of course, the safe. Got another shelf there. So not sure if I'll use this closet at all. But this is the closet where I guess I'm supposed to put my luggage. Now, oh yeah, we're in a spa cabin. Look at that. Ooh, it's soft. It's much, and it smells good. What? Okay, I think they washed it in something different. So this is much nicer than the regular robe. And looks like I got some slippers that I'm not going to use. I have flip-flops. But yeah, this is where I'm supposed to put my luggage. And obviously it is not enough room for both my suitcases. So I'll probably, after I unpack, put the big one in here and then put the small one on the other side of the bed. And if you had 2 people, I don't know what you would do, but that's what I'm working with. Oh, let me go ahead and show you ample hangers. And we have a full-length mirror right here. I haven't checked the bathroom yet. Wait a minute, there's no key here, but my light is still staying on. Why is that? I don't know. All right, I haven't checked the bathroom yet. Let's see. All righty. Yep, looks. Let's see. All right, so initially the light was blinking on and off, but then after I finished, the light fixed itself, and so now I'm doing a revised view. And we also have Elemis soap. We shall see if it's really any better or not. Time to spa. Alrighty, so that is the bathroom. I usually, because it's just me, just leave this door open and hang my bathing suit or whatever up here. So we have 2 hooks. And be careful because it is a very deep step up and step down. Of course, here is the thermostat. Can keep it in the middle so it's neutral. If you like it warmer or cooler, there's your arrows. We got 2 hooks right here. And what do you think of this cabin? I like it, except it's kind of on the small side. Is this a sofa bed? No, it's not sofa bed. Just a couch. But I didn't have that in my last cabin, so I'll take it. We got nightstand over there. A little cabinet that comes open. Let's see, do we have one on the other side or not? Beep, beep, beep. No, nothing's on the other side. just the curtain. Alrighty. Let's finish over at the desk before we see the balcony. So I did go and grab me some snacks and different things for this next cruise. I found this planner. So they don't have 2027 planners out yet. So I had to get this one, and I'll have to just enter in my months because I'm already booking up stuff for 2027. I don't know about you, but I ain't playing. I'm trying to get what I can done. All right, outlets. Let's see what we got for power. We got one European outlet. We have two, I'm gonna call them American outlets. And we have two USB ports. And this is the light for the mirror. There's a little extra storage here. There's some things in my luggage that I don't use all the time. Like my hair products. I don't need my wigs and stuff. I'll throw all that in here. Just take out what I need. And then the stuff I do use all the time, especially for filming, would go over here. We got 2.5 drawers. 1, 2 and a half. And if you are platinum and above, you get laundry with Carnival. I know it's diamond, I get unlimited. I can't remember how much you get for platinum. And again, this is the chair that he brought me. What else? Oh, let me show you something else. Actually, I'm gonna have to get off my phone and film with my camera to show you, but the TVs have mirroring. Let me show you.
Good afternoon, Carnival Radiance family. This announcement is for Henry Johnson. That's Henry Johnson. To kindly contact guest services located on lobby deck 3 forward or by dialing extension 7777. Thank you.
So if your phone has mirror settings, screen mirroring, you don't need an HDMI cord, which Carnival normally doesn't let you have access to the back of the TVs anyway. Oh, they do. There's the HDMI. But I don't even need the HDMI because I can just pull down screen mirroring and show you and watch whatever is on my phone. I can watch it on here. So I have already downloaded some Netflix shows and movies, and then I can just mirror it up here instead of looking at my small screen. All right, so here is my little balcony. We got an extra lock here. We have this lock here. Actually, this is not a lock. This is only a handle. Okay. I'm used to it being a lock too. So this is the only lock. I said that wrong. Air conditioned, keep door closed. No smoking, blah, 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 blah. It's a little bit of a seal there. Not enough to really store anything. Maybe a few small things, but... And here's my balcony. Not enough to lay back. I mean, unless you turn the chair sideways. Like this way. But other than that, it's a nice breeze here in Long Beach too. Feels really good. If you're just sitting in the sun, it's super hot, but yeah, right here in the shade, it's nice. Alrighty. And again, I'm on deck 10 at the front of the ship, and we are still in port, as you can see. All right, I can tell you a little bit about having this cabin only because I was in a, hey friends, I was in a cabin at the front of this ship, just so y'all know. I'm not sure if they will hear it, but last cruise I was in a cabin at the front of the ship, and I was in the interior, and I ain't hear jack. But the other people who were in balconies, they kept hearing. So when we're in the Pacific Ocean and there's fog, which there always is whenever we go to Ensenada, then they will blast a foghorn to warn the other ships and the whales or whatever is out there that there's a big giant ship coming. And everybody always gets a headache because it will start at maybe 7, 8, 9, whatever time the fog starts, and it will just go every 2-3 minutes. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. Yesterday we had fog all the way till we went to Ensenada, and we parked there around 3:30. It was still fog. So the whole time we were in the Pacific, you could hear. So my point is, when you're in a balcony cabin, you are, especially if you're in a balcony cabin, I shouldn't say that because I don't know about the back. But if you're in a balcony cabinet, you will most likely hear that. So keep that in mind. The interior, I hear nothing. Maybe some of the other ones did. I guess depending on what deck you're on. But anyway, that is the end of this cabin tour. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other questions, maybe I forgot something, put it down in the comments. Let me know. I'll answer it as soon as I can. Other than that, I'm going to go grab me something to eat. Thanks for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. And I hope to see you on the next cruise. Pam back there laughing at me.
I'm saying bye.